Nandito na si Palaga. Nagpa-order si Palaga.
Oh, yeah.
Jump!
No. Wow, Palaka's favorite thing. It's protein.
Yes,
Meron
Kuromi.
naman tayong pa-order ngayon na 3-in-1 cake for only 1,500. Meron ka ng
Round cake.
tatlong cake. Yan, and ito yung ating
Round cake. Cupcakes.
and number cake. Kaya naman, kung gusto niyo mag-order, ay mag-PM lang kayo. Yes, everyday promo, basta for kids only. Wow!